Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Pingy Creations. So after my first video, many of you all asked a basic question like what resin actually is about. So in today's video, I am going to brief you about resin. Resin is nothing but a liquid substance which comes along with a hardener. So the resin which I am using is in the ratio of 2:1, means 2 parts of this liquid when mixed with 1 part of hardener forms a hard plastic like substance like this. So this material is heat resistant, water resistant and also scratch proof. The mixing ratio varies from brand to brand. Don't worry about that, I am going to tell you in detail when we are working with that. Coming to the coloring part, resin can be colored using acrylics, alcohol inks and some resin pigments. The best color which I choose is pigment powders. So these are specially designed for the resin. So these are the pigment powders which come as a powder form, and these are the alcohol inks. This is in the liquid form. You can also use acrylics, but that doesn't give that professional look in your crafts. Resin can be used in many ways, like right from the flooring, table making, some resin crafts and also paintings and all. So the basic thing which we do with resin is the coasters. So this is the resin coaster which I made using the pigment powder, and this is the coaster which I made using the alcohol ink. You can see the difference. So now I am going to show you how to make the resin coasters using 5 different techniques. So without any delay, let's get into this project. So this is the resin I am using, and this is the hardener. I am just pouring 20 grams of resin. And 10 grams of hardener, as the ratio is 2:1. So after that, I am going to mix the resin for 2 minutes. After you are done with the mixing, you need to add some color. I am using the black diamond pigment powder, which you can find it in the below links. Now again you need to mix it for another 2 minutes. The same way I mixed all these colors. You can choose to mix your own colors. These are the pigment powders I mixed, and this is the gold leaf. And I have some clear resin with me. And these are the alcohol colors. I mixed it and kept it in small bags. So let's get into that. For my first coaster, I am taking some clear resin. Now I am taking some black powder, pigment powder. I'm just trying to fill the corners. I am adding some gold leaf on the center. So I am done with my first coaster. I am just letting it for 1 day. So the same way I am going to fill the other 4 coasters. So these are the 5 different techniques in which you can make the resin coasters. You can see these 3 coasters are from the pigment powders, and these 2 I used alcohol inks, and I'm letting it sit for 1 day and come back to you. It's been 24 hours now and the resin is completely hard and I can easily demold it. This is the coaster which I made using the pigment powder. So you can see that it's having a glassy look and a transparent look. So for this I just added the clear resin, and on top of that I added some blue resin. So this is how it turned out to be. For this I just kept on adding some blue color, gold color and the remaining leftover resin colors. And for this also I just added a base of pure resin, and it turned out to be a very transparent and glossy finish with the gold leaf in center spreading, giving this elegant look. Okay. For this coaster I didn't add any clear resin in the bottom, but instead I just added some resin pigment layer by layer, and it took a different texture. Here comes my favorite. Yeah, this coaster is made from alcohol inks, and you can see that it spread out very well, taking a different 3D shape. So this is how the alcohol ink looks like compared to the pigment powders. So here comes the last coaster, for which I kept on adding some drops of alcohol ink one by one, and it really took a different form. You can see this. I just love this one also. So this is it, guys. Hope you have learned some basics of resin and how to mix resin and how to color it and make coasters using 5 different techniques using alcohol and pigment powders. So all the materials I used here are from Amazon. Hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pinky Creations.